Hi everybody, question number 151, reverse words in a string. It's a medium question. Given an input string S, reverse the order of the words. A word is defined as a sequence of non-space characters. The words in S will be separated by at least one space. Return a string of the words in reverse order, concatenated by a single space. Note that S may contain leading or trailing spaces or multiple spaces between two words. The return string should only have a single space separating the words. Do not include any extra spaces. So we have S equals to the sky is blue. Blue is sky so blue is sky it's in the reverse order. Same with hello world, but it also deletes the spaces from the first and from the trailing part. Okay. How do we do this? First we need a list. LST equal to nothing. Then we need to store the word equal to an empty string, and we need an I equal to 0. Okay. While I is less than len of S, if S of I equal to space and word equal to nothing, like an empty string, then just basically do I plus equal to 1. So we don't care about those spaces, so that's what we're doing. Elif Si equal to space, and we do have a word, it's not an empty string, then we want to add that word to the list. lst.append word, and then make the word equal to an empty string again, I plus equal to 1. Yeah, so if we see an empty string like it's here, and we have a word hello, so we add that word, we I plus it to go to the next one, and then we actually add it to the list, right? That word to the list. Hello is added to the list. Okay, the next thing is elif S of I is not an empty, a space. If it's not a space, it's a letter. So we do word plus equal to S of I, we add it, and then we say I plus equal to 1. So that should be added. And this is the loop for adding all the words inside, and also ignoring the spaces. So at the end, there might be a word stored inside. So we check if word is not equal to an empty string, lst.append word. Okay, so now let's print the LST and see if we have it. Yeah, so the sky is blue, but it's in order, so we have that. So the good thing is that we ignored the spaces, although this doesn't have spaces, but so we basically took all the words out of it and put it in the list. Okay, the next thing is that we want to reverse this list, put it inside a reverse list. So we say rev equal to an empty list, and then I equal to len of S, len of LST minus 1, while I bigger or equal to 0. So it starts from len of LST minus 1, so we have to decrement it, minus equal to 1. But before decrementing, What do we do with it? We say rev.append lst I, and at the end we return space dot join that rev. So this converts it back to a string, converts the list back to a string. So let's run this and see. Yeah, that works, and let's submit it. And that was the answer to question reverse words in a string.